guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. This is another episode of Project LSJ FIERO, and today, guys, it's a pretty big day. Today we are bringing home the project car. We're doing it. So we got quite a bit to do today, and we've already been here hacking away at some stuff that needs to happen. Basically, we have to put the rear clip on, and then we need to install the other seat and the tail lights. But after that, and the deck lid. But after that, we should be able to drive the car home. It's a pretty big day, guys. It was like about a year ago we took out the engine from this car. I mean, it's almost super surreal that this is happening. I feel like there were many times in our journey where Alex and I were just never sure if this would ever get completed because it felt like it was taking too long. But here we are. Right now he's
welding the last mount.
Yeah, welding the last mount to the car. Let's get it. Okay guys, we're lowering the clip.
I got it. Okay. I still got it. Still got it.
What's up? See, that wasn't that bad.
What are you doing? We're gonna go sideways. I want you to turn around. Okay.
Nice. Fucking sweet.
Get that mark. What are you looking for, Rose?
I'm looking for the rear clips, and while we're at it, I'm also gonna leave out the tail lights and the gas door and the gas door itself. I am capable of knowing exactly what I'm looking at because we labeled all of the little baggies. Such a good pro tip.
13 months ago.
13 months ago. And look, I still know that these are the rear clips.
Technically, it's
sure
the
as
rear
anything.
clip bolts.
Clip bolts.
This is Alex over there complaining about not having enough time. There's never enough time. Don't let him fool you.
Over the window, back up, go over the axle. Okay. When we get here,
I can't believe you're putting that dirty clip on that car.
well, watch it, man. Tilt like this. And then the 3 bolts.
Come on, Alex, you know how to do this. You have 2 kids. Oh, is it still in? I think it came out. Don't scratch it. Says the deck lid that had the cat on it. I'm still blown away how a cat even got up there, but you know, whatever. Hey, look, it's kind of on.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, she can't get on the pole all the way.
We'll get a power rack for that.
Squeeze. Yes, just like that.
What are we doing, Alex?
We're gonna take a drive together.
Is this the first drive ever in the project car together?
It's the first drive for more than around the block. It's the first drive with body panels on.
Oh yeah, guys, here. Let's show it up. Let's show it up. Look at this. Engine in the car. Panels on the car. Even where where it's tacked. But all of the panels are on the car. I'm not gonna go to the other side. There's a bunch of mud puddles, but you guys, this is the next big step. We can finally drive the car home today.
He is gonna drive that car home today.
You are going to drive this car home today because I will not be here. I have to go home to the kids after this. This is all. Seatbelts.
I have a seatbelt.
Oh yeah.
Never had one.
Somebody might have installed those.
Yeah, that car's in gear in case Alex doesn't start it.
Yeah. Hey, that car was in gear. Right here.
I don't see anybody. Nope, you're good.
I've never done burnout in the car before. that was the first time. I don't know what that noise is, but nothing about the engine.
This is a very weird ass road too. It's like not the safest road to test drive this thing on, but
It's the road we got. It's not the road we wanted. It's the road that we deserved. I don't know.
this road is so windy, you guys, and it's like steep hills and everything. It's the strangest. It's not the safest, but it is what we got. It's no I-5, that's for sure.
Gauges.
No, yeah, no gauges. I'm like, we don't really even know how much gas we have or anything.
The brakes are gonna smell right away. They're wearing all the rust off.
Oh, I couldn't even. I guess I can smell it. It doesn't matter. It's just the smell of the car.
It's so balanced. It's like the most balanced pair I've ever driven. It's fucking like it's not that heavy in the back, so like it's just like the suspension is so worn out, but it's still really easy to control. Like when there's a lot of weight in the back end swings around, you know. Now you won't be able to go brakes.
Yeah, like right when you're riding on it.
Later that evening, we must get the car to make the 35-mile journey home. We finalize a few odds and ends and get on the road just before 8 p.m. Rose is left, and we don't want to try this in the dark. Well, I made it to a gas station. 10 miles, maybe? Yeah. 10 miles. That's something. Getting on the freeway was fun. Just took off. All right. Got another 21 miles to home. And I've been watching my gauges stuff, so I'm hoping that I will be able to make it. Radio check. Got you.
Something just happened, you guys. It's here! You made it! You made it though! The car didn't overheat.
No, it was
Everything went fine.
it felt like it was going to overheat before we got the coolant, and I stopped the gas, I added coolant, and then I just watched the temperature.
And then it was fine.